That would be 2.
Okay, so that was the lesson. The homework is 1 through 6, 8 through 10. Just kidding. Okay, so let's do the lesson. All right. Is that pretty good?
That's pretty good.
Do you think we'll get her?
Probably not.
Probably
She
not.
probably won't even watch it. So.
Probably click on it and have to like turn up the volume before it like starts. So that it'll play and the volume will be down.
Okay. So how do we handle limits around asymptotes? How do we do limits around asymptotes? Consider the limit as x goes to 0 of 1 over x. Okay? So let's do this numerically. How would we do this numerically? I would have what? X and f of x. And then what else do I need? X and f of x. Everybody get their calculator. This is from the negative direction. This is from the positive direction. So let's go minus 0.1, minus 0.01, minus 0.001, minus 0.0001. And this is 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001. You got to be able to do this in your head. What is this, Victor?
1. Or that one is 10.
10. Negative 10, man. What's this one, Davis?
Negative 100.
Negative 100. Chase? She's not here. Okay. Will, what's this one? 1 over 0.001 negative.
1,000. Negative 1,000.
Negative 1,000. Okay. Franklin, what's this?
And, negative 10,000.
Okay. And then what's this one, Victor?
10.
10.
100.
100.
10.
Will, would you like to join the rest of the class, Will?
I'm coming.
Okay. Franklin?
It's exactly
10,000. Okay. Does the limit from the list left exist?
No.
Does the
And it's
limit to the
upside
right
down
exist?
No.
So what do we say?
Yeah, that's not even.
Limit does not exist. Okay, the limit does not exist. You know, I don't say the limit is 1 over 0, right? I never did that. I say the limit does not exist. Okay? So let's think about this one. What if I have the limit of 1 over x squared as x goes to 0? Okay, from the left, I have minus 0.1, minus 0.01, minus 0.001. From the right, I have 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. X and f of x, x and f of x. This is from the right. What is this, Victor?
100.
100?
Yeah, 100.
Negative 100?
No, because it's squared. Would it, or,
Would be 10 squared is 100.
no, but wouldn't it be negative 0.1 squared?
I'm sorry, be 100. You're right, Victor. Well, Davis, what is this one?
10,000.
Will?
100,000 or
26. A million. Okay. What is this one, Franklin?
What did you do?
0.1?
other side.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Right.
100?
Working hard.
Noah?
Yeah, 10,000.
Emily?
186.
Yeah, let's write it 1e6. Okay. So this is doing what?
Rolling out.
Yeah.
Getting really big.
Yeah. I mean, what you could say is you could say it like either it doesn't exist or the limit as x goes to 0 of 1 over x squared is equal to infinity, and therefore the limit does not exist. You know, it's going to infinity. It doesn't exist. All right? So let's do another one.
So how do you deal with that?
Well, there's no limit. It doesn't exist. And you can see that because if you have something like this, and you're coming up like this, and you're interested at this point, is there a limit?
No, because it's not process.
Right? It goes up forever. and it goes up forever, or it goes down forever. There is no limit, okay? Let's do a different one. What if I have the limit as x goes to -2 of x plus 1 over x minus 3 over x plus 2? Okay? So, let's do this a little bit more numerically, okay? So where do I want to go? I want to go to where?
-2.
Okay? And so if I put in -2, so let's do it this way. Let's say the limit as x goes to -2 from the plus side, and the limit as x goes to -2 from the negative side. Let's think, what we want to sort of see is it exploding up or is it exploding down? So you've got to kind of think about this. If I'm coming from the left, what is this sign of this term going to be as I get close to -2? Like if I'm at -2.1, this whole thing, this would be what? Positive or negative?
Negative.
What would this be?
Positive.
Positive?
Oh, no.
-2, -3? Negative. What would this be?
Negative.
Negative. So this whole thing is going to be what? It's going to be going towards -infinity, right? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's come, or I'm sorry, I did from the left, right? Or -2.1. No, I did from -2.1 is from the left. Okay. Then now we're going to go from the right. Okay. So from the right, this would be like -1.9. What would this be?
Positive.
Positive. What would this be?
Negative.
What would this be?
Negative.
Negative. So the whole thing here is going to be what?
Going towards the positive.
Okay. So you would have at -2 something that looks like what? On the negative side, it's going to -infinity, and on the positive side, it's going to +infinity. Does the limit exist? The
No.
limit does not exist. Okay, the limit does not exist because it's going one to +infinity, the other to -infinity. Okay, how do we handle horizontal asymptotes? Will, if you're going to tell me in words, how do horizontal asymptotes work, just in general?
What it is approaching
As what?
as x increases.
So what we would say there is it's the limit as x approaches what?
Infinity.
Infinity of what? 2 minus 1 over x. Okay, and we're going to come so what happens, what does that equal as x goes to infinity?
2.
It equals 2. So does this limit exist?
Yes.
Yes. What is the limit?
2.
And what do we also say? Y equal to is the horizontal.
Y.
Horizontal, buddy.
Oh.
Right? Okay. Y equal 2 is the horizontal asymptote. All right. The homework is Chapter 1, Section 5.
Yeah.
Chapter
Miss
1,
Swami?
Section 5,
Yes.
1 through 6, 8 through 10. 1 through 6, 8 through 10. Yeah, when Chase doesn't show up, the butterflies show up. Did you notice that? Have you ever noticed that?
Where it is.
Get a good shot of
Here.
it.
Turn around, Dave. It's more.
Now,
The other way.
This way?
Oh,
Keep it going.
Get a close up, man. Get a close up.
that butterfly. I think it's not for now.
Have you ever noticed this map?